In today's video, I will be making a chocolate shortbread cookie. This only has 4 ingredients. I hope you'll come along with me while I put these together. I start out with 2 sticks of butter, and I'm going to put that in the microwave and melt that. Then I'm going to put the butter into the bowl and get ready to get my flour out. I'm going to need 1.5 cups of flour or 180 grams. I will have the recipe down in the description. Another great reason to do this is you just use the same bowl that the butter's in. I just put it there, I zero it out, and I just need to make sure I get 180 grams of flour. And now I need 1/3 cup of cocoa. Now onto the powdered sugar. I'm going to need 2/3 cup of powdered sugar, and I'm just going to put it in the bowl with everything else. I really like to use these clips. They just hold it so good. This is optional. I did put a little dash of salt in, but you don't need to do that. I'm going to give this a good mix. And then it does come together pretty easy. I did have my butter melted quite a bit, so that actually helps. You could even melt it all the way, and I could see that coming together even quicker than what I'm doing here. Once I get it combined really well, I'm going to put some plastic wrap on the top, and I'm going to put it in a refrigerator for about 1 hour. That makes it just about perfect for the oven. If you tried to put it in, the cookies in the oven right now, it'd be way too soft. I don't know if you can tell by looking, but it would be too soft. So you definitely want to wait and just put it in the refrigerator for an hour, and they will be ready to put on your cookie sheets. I also want to take a minute and say thank you to everybody that has subscribed to this channel and all the comments. I am loving reading the comments, and somebody had suggested that I put water down first and then the parchment paper and it wouldn't slide, and oh my gosh, that worked so well. So thank you for that. I am going to go ahead and speed this part up. I was really hoping I could use this because it makes the perfect cookie, but I end up switching over to the 2 spoons, and that works really well also. These do not spread, so you can use 4 in a row. And here I just wanted to show them in the oven as they cook. I put these in the oven for 20 minutes at 300 degrees. Another fun twist would be to add some chocolate chips to the top before you put them in the oven. We love to have these cookies with our coffee in the morning and sometimes as a snack at night. I hope you'll give these a try. If you enjoyed this video today, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. And thank you for watching.